Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Stevie Marie, the smile behind StevieMStarks. And today we're going to be talking about this Twistout right here and the Curlaide Moisture Butter by Camille Rose. In this video, I will be using it for the first time, so you will get to see how I apply it, my reactions to it, and my final thoughts on the product. But before we get into this video, if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and welcome to the family. And if you're not new, welcome back. Okay, let's get into this video. So my hair is in a shower cap because I put the leave-in conditioner in it in the shower. So I wanted to make sure that my hair was still moisturized by the time I started styling it. So that's why I kept it in the shower cap. So now I'm just gonna take it out. Okay, here we are. This is what my hair looks like with just the leave-in conditioner. And I use Camille Rose's Moisture Milk. I believe that's what it is. But I will show you a clip of what it looks like right here. I think I'm going to do like chunky twist just because I don't have a lot of time. Hair is detangled. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the Curlaide Moisture Butter, green tea, and jojoba. I've never used, ooh, it's nice and thick, honey. Yes, nice and thick. Feels so nice. So nice. Okay. And when I do twist, I like to make sure that both sections of hair are equal before I start twisting. The reason why I wanted to try the Curlaide Moisture Butter is because it is so dry here in Vegas. So I like to, excuse that car if you can hear it, but I like to use products that will retain the moisture so my hair doesn't dry out. And this is what it's looking like with the butter. So soft. I really like how it's feeling so far. Okay, now I'm gonna do the rest of the twist as chunky twists. I don't know why I started off that small. Okay, so this is the portion of hair that I'm gonna do for a twist now. That is what I would consider chunky. Camille Rose's products always smell amazing. So this one also smells amazing. And it just feels so nice on the hair. And I just go back in with my brush to make sure that the product is getting on all the strands. I also like to go back and detangle the ends. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more butter to the ends actually, because keeping your ends moisturized is so important. So this is what this twist is looking like, nice and juicy. I'm excited for what this twist out's gonna look like. Okay, so now that my hair is complete, I wanted to tell you what worked best for me when using this product. So I found that I like the way my hair feels better when my hair is wet. I say this because as I started to get to the front of my head, my hair was drier. So then when I put the product on the dry hair, it didn't give me as much moisture as I wanted it. But if the hair was wet, it was perfect. So actually, let me read what's on the container. It says section wet hair and apply with fingers, ensuring Curlaide Moisture Butter reaches every strand. Style as usual and let hair air dry. May also be used on dry hair to moisturize ends or detangle. There you go. Reading is essential. So I highly recommend using this product on wet hair. That is all. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. I'm going to probably leave this in for 2 to 3 days, and then I'll be back to show you how my hair is looking, what it feels like, if I had to add more moisture, if I had to add more moisture, or, you know, just recap how my hair actually likes this product. Okay, see you in a couple days. So it's actually been almost a week since the last time I talked to you. I wore the twist in for about 3 days, and while they were in, they were very moisturized. No, it was 4 days, because I remember the 3rd day being extremely moisturized, and the 4th day I was like, oh no, I have to take these out because I need to record, because I could feel my hair drying out. But when I took the twist out, my hair was still very moisturized. I was shocked because looking at the twist, it didn't seem like it was moisturized, but when I started untwisting, I was like, oh, here's the moisture. So this is the twist out from the twists, and as you can see, the definition, honey, the definition. I mean, I am in love with this twist out. Right now it's the 2nd day. I think I could wear this twist out for 2 more days, but then my hair is going to dry out. And like I said, being in Vegas, my hair dries out extremely fast. It is super dry here, and I am always outside with my daughter, so the moisture is just not staying as long as I want to. But like I said, it'll be 3 days tomorrow. And so I'm going to really see how my hair is tomorrow, and then I'm going to retwist it just to get some moisture back into my hair. But right now, y'all, it is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I will definitely be using this product again. And if you don't remember the product that I twisted my hair in, it was the Camille Rose Curlaide Moisture Butter. And just to recap my thoughts on this product, it works so well when your hair is wet. Do not let your hair dry out and then use this product if you want to keep in that moisture in your hair. It does say that you can use it on dry hair, but for the purposes that I wanted to, because it is so dry in Vegas, I wanted to make sure my hair kept all the moisture. So I highly recommend doing the twist on wet hair. Also, if you live in a dry environment like myself, I would say to keep the twist in for 3 days, wear your hair out for 3 or 4 days, and then re-wet your hair just to make sure that your hair stays moisturized. So that's it for this video. Let me know below in the comment section if you've used this product before, or if you're gonna try this product. Thank you so much for joining me. Until next time, bye.